Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to properly store your garden hose for the winter. With Old Man Winter knocking on the door, here are a few tips to store your garden hose so you don't have to keep buying one every spring. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is close the shutoff valve to your outside faucet. That'll keep your outside valve from freezing. Next, remove the spray nozzle and store it in a place where you can find it next spring. Next, we're going to disconnect the hose. You may need a pair of pliers for that. If the hose is frozen, you want to bring it inside to let it thaw. Connect the two ends together so you don't get water all over the place. Lay one end of the hose on the ground and elevate the hose as you work your way to the other end, letting the water drain out completely. Put 1 foot on the end of the hose as you start coiling it into 2-foot circles. Be sure not to kink it. You can store the hose in the shed, garage, or even your basement. Inside's better than out. Buy yourself one of these $5 hose hangers. It'll help keep its shape all winter long. For more tips like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.